I bet they're from Michigan, Grands Rapids, Michigan.
Probably heading home.
Yeah? I got a 220 truck hung up the year.
That's good.